What's up, what's up? Welcome back to the channel and another episode of Griffs Garage. And as you can see, we are at an all new location, so expanded the garage to do bigger projects in a bigger garage. So I got my guy Jeremy here, the man, the myth, the legend. You see this Challenger right here beside me. It is a 2020 Dodge Challenger. If I'm not mistaken, it's the Hemi, the 5.7?
Yes.
Okay, all right, so love the color on it. Y'all got to see that. So a little bit later on, while he's working, you're going to get to see that. And of course, when I do the cinematic reel by Rellz. So what you got on this one today? What you doing?
Today we're doing a theme, but it's more of a subtle approach to it. Like it'll be there, but it's to kind of play off of the color of the car. That way it's not like in your face, but it's enough to draw you in.
Gotcha.
Should be interesting how it turns out.
Oh, okay. I seen the pre-cut design, so you guys are gonna definitely enjoy this one. Like you said, it's more on a subtle type, and it's not the pop out, jump out, draw attention like that, but it will, in its own way. So we're definitely looking forward to attacking this Challenger right here. So you guys sit back, watch the install, and make sure you, like I said, watch the end of the video so you can see that cinematic reel by Rellz. We'll see y'all in a minute. What's up, guys? Welcome back. We are done with this job on this 2020 Dodge Challenger Hemi type 5.7 V8. You know what I'm saying, you know what I'm talking about. The guy Jeremy here, man, the myth, the legend. Of course, you guys can see a little bit. Like I said, this was gonna be a subtle job, so it doesn't hop out at you right yet, but you're gonna see in the cinematic reel by Rellz exactly what it looked like, all the details and good stuff like that. So Jeremy, what'd you do to this one?
So this one we did a matte with a gloss overlay with the center image to go. But again, it's kind of a subtle appearance, but the matte or the gloss being on top of the matte, especially in the sunlight, really pops out.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we added the red for the eye to kind of draw you in.
To know that something's going on over there.
Yeah. And then we added 345 above the Hemi to bring in some of that red from the eye to the rest of the car. Absolutely,
guys. This has been a wonderful job right here. I really do like how you use the matte black with the gloss black on top of it. It kind of gives it a three-dimensional look when you're looking at it or whatnot, guys. So, and like I said, this blue is an amazing blue, so you're gonna get to see that up close and personal. So make sure you go in the kitchen, check and see if you got your popcorn and your drink. You know what I mean? Because you got to have that before you sit down. So if you need to pause the video, go do that, run, get your stuff, and go hit the couch, because here it comes.